In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete text in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to locate your project, select the text you don't want, and remove it cleanly, all within a few simple clicks. First, launch the Adobe Express app on your computer. Give it a moment to load. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the main dashboard with your projects and tools. Next, make sure you're signed into your account. If you're not already logged in, sign in so Adobe Express can load your projects and save your changes. Being logged in also ensures your edits sync properly. From the left-hand sidebar, click on Your Stuff. This is your personal workspace where Adobe Express collects your projects, templates you've used, and other assets. It's the quickest way to jump back into something you were working on. Now, open a recent project you want to edit. In the Recent section, click the project thumbnail to open it inside the editor. Once it loads, you'll see your canvas in the center and editing options around it. To delete text, click on the text you want to remove. You're aiming to select the text box itself, not just place the typing cursor inside. A good sign you've selected the box is seeing a bounding outline and corner handles around the text. If you accidentally start editing the text content, just click once on the edge of the box to reselect it. With the text box selected, delete it. On your keyboard, press backspace or delete, and the entire text box will be removed. If you prefer using the mouse, right-click the selected text box and choose Delete from the menu. This removes only that text object. The rest of your design stays intact. If you change your mind, use Undo right away with Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac. A quick tip. If you only wanted to clear the words but keep the text box for later, double-click to enter text editing, highlight the characters, and press backspace or delete. That keeps the style and position ready for new text. Also, if your text sits close to other elements, zoom in slightly to make selecting the correct box easier and avoid moving nearby graphics by mistake. Once you're done, your changes are saved automatically in Adobe Express, so there's no extra button to press. You can close the project or continue refining other elements. That's it. You opened Adobe Express, signed in, navigated to your stuff, opened your recent project, selected the text, and deleted it using either the keyboard or the right-click menu. Thanks for watching and happy designing.